Hey everyone, I'm Joe and I'm an IT specialist here at Nagios. In today's video, I'll be going over how to use scheduled reports in Nagios XI. Scheduled reports in Nagios XI are vital for ongoing monitoring and compliance. They automate the generation of detailed insights into system health and alerts, providing a consistent historical record. This ensures stakeholders are continuously informed, facilitating proactive decision making and simplifying audits. Let's dive right into today's video. When on Nagios XI, we want to head to the left side of the screen and then click on Reports. Here's where we can find all things related to reports. On the default page that it brings you to, we have our availability summary. This is the page where we want to create a scheduled report. We want to click on the gear icon to the right of availability summary. Starting at the top, we have our period of how long ago we want the report to be from, whether it's the last 24 hours, all the way ranging to last year, or even setting a custom date. Below, we can limit it to host or service, host groups, or service groups. If you choose host groups or service groups, you purely just have one setting. But if you choose host or service, then you can choose your host and your services that tag along with it. After this page is configured to your liking, we can click Apply and Run. Here is the report that we just configured. On the top right, we will see a clock that lets us schedule this report that we just made. Starting at the top, we can finally name this report. We can choose the type of attachments that will be in the report. I will be leaving it as a PDF. Beneath are the recipients that will be receiving the report. If you have more than one recipient, then just separate the emails with a comma, such as that. We then have the subject. For example, if you have a certain host, you can title it with that host and then name it something along the lines of host report. But then again, this is all personal preference. Then we have a message that will be included on the email. Let's now press save and we can see that a report is scheduled and has been created. Here's where we can see all of our scheduled reports. We have the name, the subject, the type, the frequency, and then lastly, the recipients. To the right of that, we can either edit, delete, view, or force send the report. If you click on force send the report, then the report will automatically send to the recipient that you added onto the scheduled report. We can also click on the report and we can go back and edit it. And that's it. I hope everyone was able to gain invaluable information from this video regarding scheduled reports. For more support and or additional assistance, you can visit us at support.nagios.com. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment for any more videos you'd like to see regarding Nagios products. As always, thanks for watching and keep on monitoring.